Electric cars have been a huge trend for years. But did you already know that they've been taken a step further now with solar-powered cars? But what exactly sets them apart from regular electric cars? I will answer these questions and more in today's video, so stay tuned and enjoy watching. Solar cars. Off-grid PV systems, solar films and thin-film solar cells have paved the way for installing PV systems on vehicles, including cars. While it may seem like a recent revolutionary invention, the development of solar cars has been ongoing for decades. The first solar cars were tested on racetracks in the late 1980s and continue to be specially designed and used for international solar car races until this day. Through these races, they have gained more public recognition in recent years. Basically, solar cars function like classic electric vehicles, which are already widespread, as they also use electrical energy as a power source, which is converted into mechanical energy to move the car. The small but crucial difference from electric cars lies in the addition of photovoltaic cells that produce solar energy for driving. For short trips in sunny weather, solar cars can even be fully powered by solar energy and, if necessary, can be connected to a charging station like electric cars. Nowadays, in addition to solar race cars, mass-market solar cars for road traffic are being made, although they are not yet publicly available. Production of other solar cars previously available or scheduled for 2023 had to be halted due to financial difficulties. Nevertheless, some car manufacturers continue to work intensely on developing new solar cars for road use to make road traffic even more sustainable in the future. Do you believe that despite recent challenges, solar-powered cars will have a future in everyday traffic? And if so, what else needs to be done to make this happen? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, also make sure to check out our next one, where I will explain how solar-powered boats have already been playing a key role in creating sustainable water transport. And don't miss out on our educational movie on 10 fascinating solar technologies to explore the innovative ways solar energy is shaping the energy transition as one of its key players. So, thank you for watching and see you next time.